Hi, I'm Allison. I make art. Yeah. Yeah. Last year, after posting my drawings and illustrations to Facebook, Caitlin, my friend in Tarrytown, New York, you stepped in and said,
I would wear those flowers on a scarf.
Then a whole bunch of you weighed in, as people do on social media, and explained to me how this whole print-on-demand thing works. I didn't know much about it, if anything. Now I do. Thanks to you. Now I'm sharing my sketchbook creations with you on a whole bunch of stuff. As business owners in the digital age, we're all thinking, I've got skills, but which one of your problems can my skill set solve? If you're going to Google this holiday season to hunt for unique, one-of-a-kind gift ideas made in Canada, I think I'm onto something. If I had to choose a problem I could solve for you, it would be to use my art to soften our collective hearts and help us down from our social media soapboxes to consider our shared humanity. I'm here because I want to entertain you. I've been doing it my whole life, spreading a little joy, occasionally provoking, and always connecting through art. This holiday season, surprise the writer in your life with a trip down memory lane. The flower lover with a reminder of good things to come. And show a little girl you know, or a big one, that it's good to be feisty. To the first 100 people who sign up for my newsletter at penjarproductions.com, I'm offering 10% off your first purchase. Happy holidays, everyone, and to all a good night.